Right, so as I said, before I start replacing the pump, I'm going to replace this wiring loom, which includes the relay. Obviously the relays are absolutely shot. In fact, that one looks like it's burnt or something. So I just need to snip these because the wiring loom goes back quite a way, so I'm not quite sure. I need to look how far back that goes, and then I can see I might even need to splice it in where there is a plug under there. So let's see how far back that goes. Right, so I've got the new wiring loom. So as I said, the old wiring loom here, it runs along here, and then it's this one here, and I could see from the new wiring loom that it goes quite a way, so I was assuming it would go somewhere along the back there. So I've taken this panel out, can't see it. So I then go in here, remove the back seat, and this panel, which sits across the back there, just comes out with a couple of screws, and this is it here. So it's going to be a bit difficult. Well, I wanted to test it first, so I didn't want to start routing it all through, finding it didn't work. So what I've done is I've plugged the new one in here, and I've just tucked it in a gap that came in under the boot floor. So it's plugged in. You can see it's the other side. So this is all plugged in. The relays are in. Everything else is plugged in, and obviously the original one's still plugged into the old loom that's going through, but that's not plugged in anywhere else. So let's give this a go. Need to close this. Close this. So you may remember last time, as soon as I pulled the button up, we just got a red light. So I'm going to just start it. One good thing is the battery, although it's the wrong battery, it's kept its charge, because I charged that about 2 weeks ago. So close the door. So all the windows are closed, and let's pull this up. Not very easy to see. Oh, wrong way. Right, let me push it down. Tell you what. Oops, if you actually have the guard down. Let's try again. Okay. Right, let's try that again. So, button. Windows are all going down. And I can hear it's not working, but you can see that the roof is disconnecting at the front. But it doesn't seem to be, if I do that closed. So now they are closing again. So we're a bit closer, because at least the process is working, but the pump's obviously not working. So it's trying to activate the roof. The two pins that hold the roof, or locks, are unlocking. The windows are going down. I get a green light down there on the button, but obviously it then fails because the pump's not working. So I can get another pump for £120 from one of the guys in the Facebook group, which is a lot cheaper than what you can get them on eBay. I think refurbished at about 450, and I've seen second-hand ones for about 200, 250. So he fully tests them. I'm happy to pay 120 just to have something that hopefully get the roof working. And so yeah, in the next 2 weeks, going to get a new pump, new refurbished turbo that's going to go in, and I've got a set of sports seats to replace these horrible SE ones that that look like they've had makeup or something on them, but whatever it is, it's just not coming off very well. So that will be probably in the next video. I'll see, I'm not sure, because that's not going to be for a couple of weeks, so I might just release this as a quick update video. And obviously the car's a bit of a mess. I need to tidy up all the wiring, route it all through properly, and yeah, I think I just want to get everything straightened out so that when I get the pump, I can fit the pump, and then haven't got any trim and stuff to put back on again. So till the next one, see you later.